Functions. Functions are predefined formulas in Excel to perform both simple and complex calculations. They accept arguments and return values. They accept formulas and return values. Arguments are input to the functions. These arguments can be numbers or text. The values should be given in between opening and closing parentheses. Rules for using functions. All Excel functions must begin with equal sign. Function name must be a valid Excel name. Function must be allowed by opening and closing parentheses. Most of the functions must contain an argument within it. Categories of functions. Excel provides many categories of functions. Some of them are statistical functions. Calculates the maximum, minimum, average, etc. of a set of numeric data. Date and time functions. Calculates the day, month and year in a date and the hour, minute and second at a particular time. Mathematical functions. Calculates the square root or absolute value of a number, product of numbers, etc. Logical functions. Evaluates conditions such as x is greater than 5 and give the result as true or false. Text functions. Performs a number of operations on strings, that is a collection of characters like hello, friend, computer, etc. such as finding the length of a string, joining two strings, searching for one string inside another, etc. Let us discuss these categories in detail. Mathematical functions. Sum, range. It returns the sum of a range. Input equals sum into parentheses 4, 8, 12, 16. Output 40. Product range. It multiplies the values in a range of cells. Input equal product into parentheses 4, 2, 8. Output 64. MOD. Mode. Number divisor. It returns the remainder after a number is divided by the divisor. Input MOD into parentheses 8, 5. Output 3. Square root. SQRT number. It returns the square root of the given number. Input SQRT into parentheses 81. Output 9. INT. Integer number. It rounds number to an integer value. It rounds number to an integer value. Input INT into parentheses 14.25. Output 14. Power, number, power. It returns the result of a number raised to some power. Input power into parentheses 5, 3. Output 125. Count, range. It returns the count of the number of values in the selected range. Input equal count into parentheses 4, 8, 12. Output 3. Round, number, number underscore of underscore digits. It returns a number after rounding to the specified digits. Input round into parentheses 35.666, 2. Output 35.67. ABS number, absolute number. It returns the absolute value of a given number. Input equal ABS into parentheses minus 25. Output 25. Text functions. Concatenate text 1, text 2. It joins together two or more different text strings. Input concatenate into bracket, double quotes touch, double quotes pad, close. Output touchpad. Left into parenthesis text, number underscore chars, underscore chars. It returns the specified number of characters from the left side of the text string. Input equal left into parenthesis inside double quotes touch, comma 3. Write text, comma number underscore chars. It returns the specified number of characters from the right side of the text string. Input equal write into parenthesis double quotes touch, comma 3. Output UCH. Len into parenthesis text. It returns the length of the text string. Input equal len into parenthesis and double quotes touch. Output 5. Upper text. It converts the text string into uppercase. Input upper into parenthesis double quotes touch. Output touch in uppercase. Lower into bracket text. It converts the text string into lowercase. Input lower into parenthesis and double quotes touch. Output touch in lowercase. Logical functions. Max into bracket or into parenthesis range. It returns the largest value in the given range. Input max into parenthesis 4, 16, 12, 9. Output 16. Min range. It returns the smallest value in the given range. Input equal min into parenthesis 4, 16, 12, 9. Output 4. Average into parenthesis range. It returns the average of the given numbers in a range. Input average into parenthesis 12, 3, 6. Output 7. If into parenthesis condition, value 1, value 2. It checks whether the given condition met and returns value 1 if the condition evaluates to true and returns value 2 if the condition evaluates to false. Percentage equal 80. Input equal if into parenthesis percentage greater than or equal to 50, passed in double quotes, failed in double quotes. Output passed. Date and time functions. Today into parenthesis, it returns the current date. Input today and parenthesis. Output 7/23/2019. Month into parenthesis today, it returns the current month. Equal month into parenthesis today. Output 7. Year into parenthesis today, it returns the current year. Year into parenthesis today. Output 2019. Day into parenthesis today, it returns the current day. Input equal day into parenthesis today. Output 23. Now into parenthesis, it returns the current system date and time. Input now into parenthesis. Output 21st 21-05-2020 11:24. Hour time. It returns the hour for a given time. Input equal hour into parenthesis now. Output 11. Minute into parenthesis time. It returns the minutes for a given time. Input minute into parenthesis now. Output